Alright guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. I say this every time because most of the time it's like a how-to video, but you can already tell by the title and the video thumbnail what we are doing. So I'm not going to make it a long intro. We're going to get right into it. Make sure you hit that follow button. No, not follow. Follow me on Instagram, which is literally right here. And then hit the subscribe button on the YouTube where you are watching this, and then I don't know, leave a comment, leave a like, do whatever the old YouTube algorithm suggests that you do. We're gonna get right into the video. I will see you in the next clip. First job of the day, get this out. I think I'm gonna be using the one with the smaller bevel on it, just because this one sticks out quite far, and I think the little knobbly bit is in the wrong position for this one to even fit into that position. My key to get in there, push that out. Oh, there it is. And that is it. See, pin either side and it just comes straight out. The smaller one going in. Oh, sorry. Push! Ow, fuck! Oh, my fingy! Oh. There we go. Here's all the gibberish, and apparently this is all what it can do. Boost vacuum gauge, tachometer, air fuel, oil pressure, voltmeter, exhaust gas temperature, which, to be honest, I might get another one of these and use it as an air fuel ratio if I can get the O2 sensor signal wire from somewhere. I don't know whether I can just get another O2 sensor, plug it in, and then send this, get the signal wire from that straight up to it or not, but anyway, that's for another video. These are all the goodies we've got from China land. All I know is red's power, black's ground, green is signal, which just goes straight to that one, and they both need power, which brings me to my next step. Boost gauge here, fuse box right there. How good is that? How good is that? So what I'm now going to do is I'm just going to, well, actually no, first thing I'm going to do is try and find somewhere to route the boost like vacuum line through, because I don't know how to get it through to the bulkhead. So I'm going to figure that out and then, well, I'll show you. Alright, so guys, I have found a grommet in there, if you can see it. I've already got my little push rod through it. Be able to see, if I put that light there, you should be able to see right there through that little gap. You can sort of see the push rod come through, and that's straight to the interior, which will then run up through here to the back of the gauge. So pretty simple. Alright, so that's now all pulled through. You can't really see because I haven't got the light on it. There's the light. All pulled through the little grommet, and we are now out the other side. Still can't see very well because I haven't got a light, but it's right there on the end of my little pull through rod. I'm going to tee into this little red section over here, which this is already something I have replaced because I saw a couple of YouTube videos, wanted to pull this off, and then I split the old line, so now it's just been replaced with a red line. I'm now going to cut that anyway and tee into that, and then run the boost. I'm probably going to shorten this actually, and then I'm going to run the boost line all the way up there, round into there and down. That is now all run neatly down to there. This bit looks like a stick man or something has got trapped in all my wiring, but that's fine. There's no kinks in the line. It's all got slack, so it's not like it's tight or anything. Alright guys, I don't know what that was, but I'm trying to look for my testy meter. Right, so I have found my ground. My ground is right here. I'm going to use that bolt with a little ring eyelet, which I'm going to attach to the grounds, and then this little 10 amp fuse right here is what I'm going to use as power, because as you can see that is off, and then as soon as I turn the ignition on, which I can't do because I haven't got 14 hands, that one comes live. Alright, so guys, hopefully this angle is all good, but I've currently got my fuse tap in. This is the wire that I'm going to be using. It is literally just 2 fuses. One is for our line and then one is for the line that was already originally there. Up to here. Out there. Got me hot water again. Oh, there was a spider in it this time. Oops. Sad times. While I've got you here for a second, if you just don't look up my nostrils and hit that subscribe button and give the video a nice little like and comment something, I will try and reply. Not I will try, I always reply. Always reply to comments, guys. Now it's time to get these soldered together. So hard to get the angles, but I've now got that through. That wire is here. I am gonna solder these coloured wires together, get the black up to there for ground, and then get the red onto this fuse tap for power, and then the greens just got to go together. So I'm gonna do that now. You know what I'm doing, I don't need to film it. I'll be back with you once that's all soldered up and wired in. Right, time to go for the first little start up. Everything's in there, everything's out of the way, the ground is connected, positive, signal wire is on, key in the ignition, turn it on, start it up. Turn that down, and then peel this thing off. Boink. Alright guys, so the next mod for this video is gonna be, I know this is sort of going against myself, but I did have a back box welded on it, if it focuses. And through here you can see that it's a red back box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it up in the air and get that all cleaned up and spray painted black, because I don't like the fact you can see that red through there. Well, that was a mess up on my behalf, because oh, battery died. I thought I didn't hit record, but turns out the battery just died, so I'm going to swap them out now. So what I'm going to currently do is I'm going to clean it up here, sandpaper it, clean it up properly and give it a good spray job, hopefully as best as I can right where it is in situ, and then I'm going to get it back up in place. Probably not going to be able to record it just because, like I say, my battery's almost dying, so I am going to quickly get that done, cleaned and sprayed right now, and I will get back to you once it is done. Alright guys, so my hands are relatively clean, the workshop is now all cleaned up, the car is out of the workshop, and I just want to sort of show you the exhaust now it's all back together. it looks a hell of a lot better. Not that you can see it because it's not focusing, but it looks a hell of a lot better because you can't see the red, and you can't see the red from the side at all. Well, yeah, you cannot see it. It just blends right in. Same with the back. Obviously, this bit here was all red. It's now all blacky grey, so it blends right in. And yeah, it just looks so much better. Alright guys, I'm going to try and get this outro done real quick. I hope you did enjoy today's video. Literally my battery is flashing at me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I've said it to you like three times this video, maybe more. I don't know. If you haven't hit it yet and you've lasted up until this piece, what even are you doing? Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, comment anything. Like I say, I reply to all comments as long as they're not stupid, I guess. I'll probably even still reply to them. Make sure you do that, and I will see you in the next video.